What you gotta say?
I said, you could have bought you a new brush, and I could have kept on using them.
What's up, T-Top?
What's up, Shaq Black?
Detroit, baby. Detroit in the house. Detroit in the house.
In the house.
In the house.
Yeah.
Lil P, what up? Detroit in the house. Tim, what up? What's the score, man? All right, y'all. Back on this project. Had some family time. Got to make time for family. Out here from Detroit, coming to visit safely. But we out here, man. It's in the afternoon, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some more of this purple power on that thing. I gotta put some purple power on it. And then I gotta put this wire brush. I just bought new wire brushes from Harbor Freight. I got three of these big long brushes. Got 3 of these long brushes for $5. So then I got me a pressure washer, y'all. Finally went to Harbor Freight, picked up my pressure washer there. It was on order. They was out of stock for some reason. But I got it. And I'm finna show y'all in a minute. I'm finna scrub this thing down right quick. When I scrub this thing down real quick, y'all, I'm just doing the side. For the people that didn't watch the video, the last video about this truck, I'm not doing none of this stuff right here on the inside. See all the camera got, all the footage I got? I'm not doing none of that. I'm only gonna do all the stuff that I had painted gray, because that will go be seen on this vehicle. When I pick them bags up, you're only gonna see this part. All the way to the back, from the Rudy to the Tootie. And I'm gonna get started, y'all, and I'm gonna put y'all back on the camera. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's your boy, Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel. And I'm back, y'all. Look, I'm finna put the camera down because it's getting a little dark, catch me. I'm gonna just do a little quick degrees on this one side, see if my pressure washer work. Just took it out the box. I just took it out the box, and let me see if I got my money's worth. Is this a bad $90 I spent or a good $90? We're gonna see. Testing this damn pressure washer out. So I'm gonna give y'all a view. Probably gonna put you up high, look down. So we're gonna go put it on top of this cab. I got a little Drake playing over here, so that might not be good. But see my tripod at home right now. Oh, that's too low. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go a little higher. That's too low. Man, y'all know what, man? I came here unprepared for this video because I want y'all to see the whole thing. I may have to go get a chair right fast. Let me see what this. Put on top of my lawnmower. Maybe this push mower hold up. Let me see. Let y'all see the push mower. See my push mower hold that damn thing, the tripod. Sorry for the cursing, but let's see what happens. See what this thing hold it, y'all. Oh, successful. Let me get started. works, y'all. The wire brush works. It's really getting this stuff out good. You can feel the dirt coming off this thing, popping up everywhere. Should have had some goggles on. All right, y'all, it's time to try the, all right, and try this pressure wash, man. If it's not a good one, I paid my $18 for 2-year warranty. So it's not a good one. I'm taking this thing back, I'm gonna get me a real one. But right now, this is a electric pressure washer. So if it's a good thing, y'all can go check them out too. Hawk Freight got them for 90 bucks. Well, actually 100 and some, but I had, you know, I had coupons that I've been dealing with that place for a while. So y'all check it out. Come with a lot of footer hose though. I like that. That's a good plug. And they got a long cord too. Let me get this out first with Nick not. That's a no-no. All right, got that out. Time for the test, y'all. Let me turn it on. All right, on. Uh-oh. Something. Got it running, y'all. Got it running. Y'all can hear it. Let me get the camera up. Let y'all see it. Got it running. Now I'm finna test it. That's that thing there, man. It had a relay pressure thing on it. A relay switch. I just turned it on. Let's say on, right? Oh, ain't got. At this moment, I forgot to turn the water on. You got to have water. Shaq Diesel, you got to have water. I ain't even got the water on. How I gonna pressure wash no water? That was stupid. I ain't gonna say stupid, Shaq Diesel. You worked all day. You deserve that little boo-boo. See the long cord that thing come with? That thing got a long cord. Long cord. Long extended cord, got a long hose. It's worth it right now, for real, so far. Now we got to see if water gonna come out. There it is, y'all, look. Oh, that thing got some power, bro. Got a nice little push. Look. Look how eating that stuff up. Y'all see that at the top, that gray? How that coming off? Man, that's a good buy, dog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that gray coming off. Let me show y'all the gray area. All right, gray. Gray. See that gray popping off? See that gray coming off? Then it cut off. When you don't match the trigger, it cuts off itself. Then it cut back on when you match the trigger. That's nice, dude. Thanks, Harbor Freight. Like I said, I was waiting on this thing. I was supposed to pick it up that next day, but it's all right. Oh, this thing nice, y'all. Got a lot of pressure. More pressure you could think with an electric one. But I do know that this thing had a little pressure. I kind of figured probably had a little bit of pressure because my sister had one. My sister didn't have a pressure wash. She had a just a nozzle thing she bought from my job. And it was a nozzle you just put on your regular hose pipe. It's a nozzle thing you just put on your regular hose pipe, y'all. And this thing will get, it'll pull this stuff up too, like a pressure washer. Like you actually got a power pressure washer, but just a regular water hose with a nozzle. You look on, sometimes Facebook will pop it up down there, but I won't never try that. Somebody said never got theirs and ordered 3 months ago, so I wouldn't try it from that. But I forgot the name of it. But this thing worked, y'all. This thing doing a good job. Cutting all that stuff off. Yep, great job. Look at all that gray coming off. All right. Oh, that's nice. Damn, slick as a baby ass. Ain't no oil on that, y'all. So, man, I'm out here in the dog.
I had a true brain freeze.
Let me see.
I literally forgot to turn the water on.
All right, y'all. I'm out in this dog
with a pressure washer.
What we're gonna do?
Diesel water.
It's in this day.
Pressure washer.
In this night.
Water.
That tip. This portable, not portable. Portland pressure washer, electric pressure washer has at least 50 feet, I say 30 foot extension cord to it already. Then it got at least a 30-foot extension cord to the pressure washer hose. And you notice the thing don't come on until you match the button. That's good. I think that was success. That was a good buy. That was a good $90. And it got the job done at the same time. So with that being said, y'all, job is done. I'm gonna finish it, probably not tonight, probably get up in the morning since I'm off tomorrow. Probably get up in the morning and do it early. But since that been said, y'all, it's your boy, Shag Diesel, Shag Diesel, Shag Diesel. And I'm out, man.